Hey guys, it's your friendly neighborhood trainer here, Shannon, and today I just want to talk about foam rolling a little bit because it's a very important topic for me. It's important because it does a lot of things. It's a big part of corrective exercise because it helps to fix muscle imbalances in your body. Overall, just helps long-term pain-free movement and helps with your overall effectiveness in the gym. I'm a strong believer of doing your foam rolling right before your workout because it's going to help your range of motion a lot during your exercise. It's going to help with full extension and full flexion, just help with your overall muscle contraction, and it's going to give you better results. No matter who you are, everybody has muscle imbalances. Everybody has tight muscles that they need to lengthen. Everybody has inactive muscles that they need to strengthen. The calves are a big muscle group that I encourage for everybody to do almost every single day because it's the muscle that we're using every day when we're walking. Now, if you're a beginner at this, it can be a little bit difficult to get used to the feeling and sensation of foam rolling, but once you get used to it, it really just comes natural to you after that. So don't worry if you're feeling like you aren't really getting into the groove of things right away. This is going to be a very simple description of how to foam roll. So I might do a video in the future that'll kind of go more into depth of what foam rolling is really doing inside your muscles and how it affects your body scientifically, and that'll be an interesting thing to talk about, but for now, we'll just keep it simple.
Now you always want to start a few good inches below your knee and roll away from the heart towards your foot. Start by rolling side to side and slowly roll down little by little until you find a tender spot to focus on. Also make sure that your foot is completely relaxed because if you flex your foot, it's going to be pointless. Once you find that tender spot, rest your other foot on top to add more pressure. Stay there for a good 30 to 45 seconds. Once you hit about 25 to 30 seconds, you should feel a slight relaxing sensation. So basically, it'll start uncomfortable and it'll just start to get a little bit more comfortable over time. So once you start to kind of feel it relax, that's when you know that the muscle's basically done with, and you can move on a little bit lower because there are two main muscle groups in the calves and you don't want to neglect the other ones. So you just want to go down closer to your ankle to find another tender spot. Most likely there's another one. Try that out first and move side to side, see if you can find that other spot. Once you do, rest your leg on top and wait another 30 to 45 seconds until that relaxes, and then finally you can move on to the other leg and repeat.